Welcome to a brief demonstration of the 3D module for XVWeb. XVWeb provides cloud imaging technology to your practice, giving you increased accessibility, data security, and the ability to reduce IT expenses with reduced hardware requirements. XVWeb's subscription model ensures you always have the most up-to-date software versions as well as remote support, with a growing number of additional modules and technologies being released regularly. The new XVWeb 3D module allows for STL and 3D CBCT datasets stored, retrieved, and manipulated via the web. The XVWeb 3D module will integrate with the majority of CBCT systems on the market today, including Carestream Dental, PlanMecca, Sirona, Vatek, Rayscan, and many more. The 3D module extends XVWeb's cloud capabilities to your 3D images, giving you access to them on any internet-based device, including tablets and smartphones. In XVWeb, your 3D images come up in two different formats. An STL file will show up as a 3D icon, as you see in the top left corner here. A CBCT volume will show up with the middle axial slice as a screenshot. To access either, you simply double-click whichever image you'd like to view. Your volume will then come up in the traditional orthogonal view. Our 3D application is designed to be very easy to use, giving you immediate access to your 3D images so you can quickly diagnose and plan. We have several quick navigation tools, including scrolling the wheel mouse to slide through slices. If you'd like to get through the anatomy a little bit quicker, you can grab the exterior dot on the associated slice, and it'll slide through those slices that much faster. You can quickly jump all slices to a particular point of anatomy by simply double-clicking on it. From there, you can change the angulation of your planes to bisect the anatomy or area of interest to your liking. You can then take that interior dot and rotate it around the anatomy 360 degrees to get further detailed diagnostics. You're also able to adjust how your grayscale images are represented with brightness, contrast, gamma controls, as well as a sharpen tool to fine-tune the definition within the image. You can change the way you view your images further by hovering over the menus in the top right-hand corner of each window. Here you can maximize each window, go full screen, or even minimize them back to original view. In our labels section, we have straight line measurement and angulation measurement, as well as other annotation tools for documentation purposes. The other major viewing and planning component to the 3D module is the curve slicing section. This is where you're able to generate your curve, producing your pan view and your cross-sectional view in the top right and bottom right-hand screens. Many of the navigation tools from the NPR view are also available here in the curve section as well, including adjusting and angling planes, change of brightness, contrast, and gamma, and so forth. The 3D module includes several planning tools, including the ability to trace the nerve canal, where you can quickly identify and mark the nerve canal through the anatomy. We also have an implant library that allows you to choose your manufacturer and model, as well as length and diameter implant to place on the scan. Simply grab the dots to move and rotate the implant to its desired position. As mentioned before, all these tools would be available to you on any internet-based device anywhere in the world. The next handful of features that we'll look at are especially effective and beneficial in this cloud environment. We'll start with the effects presets. The 3D module in XVWeb gives you the ability to define presets for different manufacturers and different image types that may come into your system. This is an extremely beneficial feature for practices with multiple CBCT systems or practices that accept multiple manufactured images from different referring doctors. This capability also translates to our 3D rendering here in the color system, where you have the ability to change your colors as well as densities of the different anatomy types, as well as generating those presets. Once we've done a workup, we can save that workup to the existing file, save it as something new if we would like to make multiple versions of a workup. Again, anywhere in the world where we have access, we can open up any of those pre-saved versions, or if we would like to start from scratch, we can click the new button, which will go back to our starting position. If we click our download button, it'll actually download to the computer that you're working on a full DICOM set to be used in any third-party system. This last function we're taking a look at is a very powerful one. Our share button gives you the ability to share your scan or your entire patient record with someone outside of your group. You simply click Temporary User, and you choose if you want to share your patient or your study, put in a username for that person, enter in their email, add an expiration date, and if you'd like them to be able to download the DICOM set, you would click this button here. From there, you're going to click Share. It will then send an email on how to log in and giving them access to that particular patient or study with the full 3D software capabilities. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at our 3D module for XVWeb. If you'd like more information or a free 30-day trial, please visit our website at apteryx.com/XVWeb.